How do vet techs do lab tests like hematology? Imagine being able to peek inside an animal's blood and learn so much about their health. That's what veterinary technicians do when they perform hematology tests. It's a fascinating process that helps vets diagnose conditions like anemia, infections, and blood disorders. First, vet techs start by collecting a blood sample from the animal. They use a tube containing a special chemical called ethylnediamine tetracetic acid, or EDTA. This chemical stops the blood from clotting and keeps the cells intact. It's important to fill the tube to the right level and mix it gently right after drawing the blood. This ensures the sample stays good for testing. Next, they prepare the sample for analysis. One common step is measuring the packed cell volume, which shows how much of the blood is made up of red blood cells. To do this, they fill a tiny glass tube, called a capillary tube, with the blood sample. The tube is then sealed at one end and spun in a small machine called a microhematocrit centrifuge. Spinning the tube causes the blood to separate into layers. The red blood cells settle at the bottom, and the plasma, or liquid part, stays on top. The vet tech then reads the percentage of red blood cells using a special reader. They also look for any unusual color or cloudiness in the plasma, which can indicate health issues. Vet techs also make blood smears. They take a small drop of blood and spread it thinly across a glass slide. Once it dries, they stain the slide with dyes that highlight the different types of blood cells. Under a microscope, they examine the shape, size, and appearance of the cells. This helps identify abnormalities in white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. These abnormalities can point to infections, inflammation, or blood diseases. Many veterinary clinics use automated hematology analyzers to speed up the process. These machines quickly count and measure blood components like white blood cells, red blood cells, hemoglobin, and platelets. Vet techs operate these machines, check the results for accuracy, and record the data. They also ensure the equipment is clean and calibrated for precise results. Throughout the entire process, veterinary technicians follow strict rules for handling samples. They label everything clearly, keep detailed records, and follow safety protocols. Their careful work ensures the results are accurate and reliable. These lab tests are a vital part of animal health care, helping veterinarians make informed decisions about treatment. In short, vet techs perform hematology tests by collecting blood properly, preparing samples for both manual and machine analysis, examining blood under a microscope, and maintaining quality control. Their skills help provide quick, accurate information that guides the veterinarian's diagnosis and care for animals.